Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over 3 different Taekwondo kicking combinations that you can use in training. Now let's get started. Alright, this first kicking combination we're going to do is going to be a back leg double kick. So it's going to look like this. Land in front, and then from here you're going to pick up that front foot and do a front leg double going backwards. Okay, so from here it's really easy combination, but it's going to kind of test your coordination, kind of test really getting those hips over. So you want to think of just staying low to the ground, don't jump up too much, and kind of keep your body upright. So one more time, it's a back leg double, land in front, and then front leg double going backwards. Alright, this next kicking combination we're going to do, you're going to start off, we're going to add some footwork in this one. So you're going to do a slide forward back leg roundhouse kick, land in front. From here, you're going to slide back and do a front leg low high roundhouse kick. Okay, so you're sliding forward, attacking with that back leg, and then from there, sliding back, popping up that front leg, doing a low high roundhouse. Now this next combination is a little bit longer, but it's really fun. So we're going to start off with a front leg fast kick, and then from there, back leg roundhouse kick. From there, back leg triple, and then finish off with a roundhouse to the head. Just like that. So it's a little bit longer of a combination. It's a lot of fun. Definitely practice this one.
This is the future.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what else you want to see in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and if you guys want a chance to train with me online, go check out TheWongsWorkout.com. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.